Students of Standard 12 present to you all a short program on World Animal Day.
World Animal Day, making this world a fairer place for animals. World Animal Day was originated by sinologist Heinrich Zimmermann, and since then it is celebrated worldwide on 4th of October. It is celebrated every year to spread awareness about the status of animals and improve their welfare standards. The first World Animal Day was organized on 24th March 1925 at the Sport Palace in Berlin, Germany. Over 5,000 people attended the first event. In 1929, World Animal Day was celebrated by people in Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and Czechoslovakia for the first time on October 4 in alignment with the feast day of Saint Francis of Assisi, patron saint of ecology. In May 1931, at a meeting of the International Animal Protection Congress, Zimmermann's proposal to make October 4th World Animal Day a universal celebration was unanimously accepted and adopted as a resolution. Since 2003, World Animal Day is led and sponsored by Nature Watch Foundation, a UK-based animal welfare charity.
National animals. The national animal of India is tiger. National animal of Nepal is cow. National animal of Australia is red kangaroo. The national animal of Philippines is caraboa. National animal of China is the giant panda. National animal of Bangladesh is the Bengal tiger.
Endangered animals. When a decline is observed in the population of any species, they are classified as endangered, critically endangered, or vulnerable on the basis of how sharp the decline is and how much is the population of that species. Species become endangered for two main reasons. 1. Loss of habitat. 2. Loss of genetic variation. IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature. The International Union for Conservation of Nature is an international organization working in the field of nature conservation. It was established on 5 October 1948. The organization is best known for compiling and publishing IUCN Red List of Threatened Species, which assesses the conservation status of species worldwide. According to IUCN, more than 38,500 species are threatened with extinction, that is still 28% of assessed species. According to that data, 41% of amphibians, 26% of mammals, 34% of conifers, 14% of birds, 37% of sharks and rays, 33% of reef corals, and 28% of selected crustaceans are threatened with extinction. Here is a list of top 10 endangered animals of 2021. 1. Tiger. 2. Vaquita. 3. Gorilla. 4. Amur leopard. 5. Black rhinoceros. 6. Snow leopard. 7. Red panda. 8. Javan rhinoceros. 9. Leatherback sea turtle. 10. Orangutan.
The practice of protecting the fauna is a small thing, but it is a huge step towards balancing the ecosystem. There are several ways to protect animals. Few of them are stated as follows. First, take notice and take action. Never ignore stray animals on the street where they can be victims of disease, cruelty, or starvation. Contact and report such cases to your nearby local animal shelter. Second, keep them safe at home. Be sure to keep collars and tags on your pets. In case of emergency, they can be returned safely. Third, attend humane dog training course with your dog. Learn to communicate with your pets. Fourth, boycott fur and leather products. Animals are killed with tremendous suffering to obtain fur or leather. Avoid such animal products which can harm animals. Fifth, say no to habitat destruction. After carrying out construction at a lushy land, make sure to plant equal amount of trees. Keep in mind to clean the nearby beaches to preserve marine life.
Just one voice. Each day I learn, research, and read about all the animals who are in need. The circus, the rodeo, the fur and factory farm, the pain, the fear, the unbelievable harm. The research scientist who causes pain, the dog in the yard, chained in the rain, the kitten drowned, the puppy burned. These are just a few of the horrible tragedies of which I have learned. The innocent ones have no choice. The innocent ones have no voice. The horrors inflicted upon those so dear, and so many people who do not want to hear. Each of us, we have a choice. Each of us, we have a voice. Use your voice to educate. Pass out leaflets, demonstrate. Write letters, boycott stores. Knock on all your neighbors' doors. Use your voice as I have mine. You can help, it just takes time.
How can we protect the animals? We share the earth with 8 million other species of plants and animals. So we have a responsibility to protect the animals. Plant trees. By planting trees, we help to create a complete thriving global ecosystem and provide habitats and food for a multitude of insects. Avoid chemicals. We use chemical solution for increasing the lawn growth and controlling pests, which can be very harmful to butterflies and bees. Instead, opt for natural pest control and organic fertilizers. Pick up trash. Plastic bags and twine can easily trap birds and other smaller animals, hurting or killing them or making them easy prey. So pick up litter to protect wildlife. Adopt. We can adopt an animal which is threatened by endangerment or by abandonment or adopt one from local animal shelter or rescue center. Take action. You can take action if you come across animals facing problems like poaching or cruelty and inform the animal rescue team. So you will give a voice to those who don't have one. Donate. Animal shelters and rescue centers lack the necessary provisions to keep animals healthy and safe. So you can give extra food and supplies or volunteer thus helping them. Stay informed. Humans endanger animals for science, food, or greed. So we can always stay informed on the issues, know the impact, and take your part in protecting wildlife.
Different projects to save wildlife. First, Project Snow Leopard. The species of snow leopard inhabits Himalayan landscapes as well as in states such as Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, etc. Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972 and IUCN declared this species as a vulnerable category. The International Snow Leopard Day is celebrated on 23rd October each year. The Government of India launched the first national protocol on snow leopard population assessment in 2019. In addition, SOS means Say Over Snow Leopard is an initiative launched by WWF India in great collaboration with Tata Housing Development Company in 2014. Second, Project Tiger. The population of Indian tiger was drastically declining towards the end of the 20th century. In the case of Sansar Chand vs. State of Rajasthan 2010, the applicant was arrested in 1974 for poaching tigers and smuggling their body parts to various countries, particularly in China. He was allegedly involved in 57 wildlife cases between 1974 and 2005. The Supreme Court also requested the state and the central government to take strict action against such offenders. The act of poaching of any animal is offence under Section 428 and Section 429 of Indian Penal Code 1860. In 2019, Tiger Sanctuary has shown that there are 2,967 Bengal tigers in India.
A female white giraffe and its calf were killed by poachers in March 2020. They were the two out of the last 3 white giraffes living on this planet. We kill animals giving the excuse of getting food, medicine, ornaments, and traditional clothes out of them. We kill them for our callous intentions of getting enjoyment out of poaching. We cut one tree, just one tree, and we take lives or abodes of birds living on it, rodents living under it, and the other living beings living around the tree. So think about the rate of deforestation and the number of lives that are taken away or disturbed. We are currently in a do or die situation. If we do not work to save animals, ultimately, food chain will make us suffer. One generation that we take from animals will ultimately make one generation of humans suffer. We need to know the importance of each and every organism, be it visible with naked eyes or microscopic. We have let just 4% of mammals that we think do no good to us have this earth that in fact belongs to all. We desperately need to contribute in whichever way we can to save the right to live of every organism living in this world, on this earth that we do not own but share with them. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.